Hello, you are on the channel Snug Notes. This is Trina. We're going to do a project share today. This is from Birthday Girl from Echo Park collection kit. And this is the front. You are so sweet. This is the back. We got a little piece of vellum here. We've got a paper clip with tools, sticker, notebook paper, another sticker, there are 40 sheets of notebook paper, 80 front and back. I have a little tag here, a belly band, sticker, here we have our hidden card or a hidden note. Hip hip hooray, it's your birthday. Another sticker. Got another folder here with a tag. Sticker. That's the end. So yeah, we have our hidden notes, and in those hidden notes you could write a hidden message. You could secret message, or you could tape some money on the other side, or you can, possibilities are endless, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.